Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and locating the keyboard controls. Tap Additional Settings or System Apps, then Languages and Input. This is where keyboard behavior lives. Once there, choose the active keyboard app such as Gboard or Redmi keyboard so you can change typing features. Make sure you have the correct keyboard selected, otherwise changes won't apply. You're doing this now to reach the autocorrect options directly, so don't navigate away until you see keyboard preferences or text correction settings. You'll now turn off the core features that change your words. Open text correction or typing settings inside the chosen keyboard. Toggle off autocorrection first so automatic replacements stop, then switch off predictive text and next word suggestions to remove inline proposals. Also disable personal suggestions if you don't want learned words. Once done, press back to confirm the toggle's saved. These settings stop the keyboard replacing or suggesting words, giving you direct control over every typed character. You finish by testing. Open notes or messages and type several words and punctuation to confirm autocorrect is off. If corrections persist, make sure no other keyboard is active. Disable alternate keyboards or restart the phone to apply changes. If problems continue, clear the keyboard app cache or uninstall its updates to revert to default behavior, then reconfigure. If all else fails, reinstall the keyboard app. This step ensures the change actually took effect and gives one reliable troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.